Friends, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in today's video I am going to show you how to edit the text in a PDF document in Smallpdf. So you will learn how to use Smallpdf to edit. So if you have any PDF document and you'd like to edit the text in that document, you can use Smallpdf to edit that text. Using Smallpdf is very easy, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So you want to first head over to the smallpdf.com and you want to either start a free trial or log in. I already have an account, so I'm going to simply log in with my Gmail. You can use your Facebook as well. It's very easy. Now to edit text, all you have to do, you will see it under the most popular PDF tools. So you want to simply click on edit text and you want to drag your PDF document here. As you can see, you can do this for PDF, docs, Excel, PowerPoint, PNG, whatever, right? So I'm gonna simply drag a PDF document here that I have on my computer, and I'm gonna load this PDF document. Now, as you can see, once I drag the PDF document, it started to show me where various texts are that I can edit. So all I have to do, guys, is just simple go ahead and click on a particular text. And once I double click it, I can go ahead and I can make changes to that document. So let's say I want to remove the and, I can just click on it and I can remove it, right? So wherever, anywhere there is a text, I can easily go ahead and modify that. So let me go down again to a different section of the document. So let's say this document, let's say I want to remove this second paragraph here. I can highlight it and I can simply click backspace and I can remove that entirely. If I would like to, let's say, bold it, I can change the color or change the size. I can go ahead and I can do so. So I can highlight the text, can change the size, as you can see, making it larger. I can bold it. I can even change the color as well. Click on text color and I can change it to whatever I want. You also see on the left hand side that you also have more control over the document, so you can even add pages there. As you can see, you can move around pages to wherever you want. As you can see, you can fully customize this document and edit it the way you want using Smallpdf. Very easy and very simple, guys. Now once you're finished, all you have to do is just simply click on finish. And as you can see here, it mentions that editing text is a pro feature. So I need to start a free trial. You can simply go ahead and click on and try 7-day free trial, choose the plan that you want, click on a free trial, enter your credit card details. It's absolutely free to use for 7 days. But once you do that, you'll be able to use this unlimited the way you want for 7 days. Absolutely free, guys. There are some free tools there that you can use, so you just need to go ahead and try out the tool to see what kind of tools you get there for free, so that you can know what kind of tools you can use. So if you go to pricing, as you can see, you can access up to 30 Smallpdf tools. You can view those tools here and you can see all the ones that you get for free that you can utilize. So these are the free tools that you can use with Smallpdf if you want to know. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.